In this video, I'll show you how to connect Grok to Base44. The first thing you need to do is go to Base44 and log into your account. In the top menu, click on Integrations. From the list of available integrations, find Grok and click on it. Once you open the Grok integration page, you'll see a field where you need to paste your XAI API key. To get this key, go to the link shown on the page or open console.x.ai in your browser. Sign into your Grok account, and once you're on the dashboard, click on API keys on the left side. Then click Create API Key. Enter a name for your key, for example, test key. You can also choose permissions such as full access or restricted, and optionally set a rate limit. I'll keep it at default. Now, click Create API Key. Your new key will appear on the screen. Copy it, then go back to Base44 and click Use this integration. Paste your key into the field. Keep in mind that integrations in Base44 are available only for paid plan users, so you'll need to have an active subscription to use this feature. And that's it! You've successfully connected Grok to Base44. If you found this tutorial helpful, consider subscribing for more Base44 and AI integration tutorials.